What's up, you guys? It's Friday. You know what that means? It's wing night. Um, Tonight for wing night, I'm gonna make kind of like a spicy Italian um, hot wing. I was gonna do garlic parmesan, but I was like, nah, like it's done. It's been done. Let's try this other thing. Also, because I wanted to make some Italian sausage. The guys love Italian sausage. And then, again, me being over the top with it, I thought about something and I wanted to share with you guys. I got a new gadget. This is a pasta roller. So remember, was it last week or maybe the week before, I made some ravioli. I handmade the pasta and I hand rolled it out. I got a workout when I did that. And I thought about it and I was like, maybe I should get a actual pasta maker, pasta roller. Now, about, I don't know, a couple of months ago, I actually bought the KitchenAid pasta making kit, the official KitchenAid kit. I spent all the money on it. I was just so excited. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And then I got it, and I was like, this is not what I need. Let me cover up my pasta back here. I already made my pasta. I just want to show y'all how quick and easy it is to make the ravioli versus what I was doing over there. So, rolling things out, going crazy. I started with a standard ball of dough like you guys saw me make in the previous video. If you missed it, I will link it down below. And then I just cut it into quarters and flattened it out a little bit with my hands and just started sending it through the roller, starting on setting 8, which is the thickest setting, and going all the way down to setting 1, which is the absolute thinnest, because for ravioli or for stuffed pastas, you really want it as thin as you could possibly get it. This thing is very forgiving. You can see I messed up right here, so I'm just gonna fold it over on itself and start over again on the previous setting, which I think was 4. And look at this, look how nice and thin it comes out. Anyway, I got that the pasta attachment home, and I was like, why do I need this? I don't need spaghetti. I can get spaghetti for $1 at the grocery store all day, every day. What I want to be able to make is the things that I want to be able to customize, like filled pastas, like this ravioli, like tortellini, things like that. Let me show you down here what I'm doing. So I returned that thing. Yes, I returned it. I am the return queen, self-proclaimed. I returned it, and then trying to get my pasta cut right. I returned it, and then I got this attachment not too long ago. Actually, I've only had it a couple of weeks, but am I doing this right now? It's on one side. I've only had it a couple of weeks, but I'm really excited about it because it got really great reviews. It's not official KitchenAid, but got great reviews and had a great price. So there you go. I did. So I figured tonight would be a great night to try it out, since we're having the wings and the Italian sausage. Instead of just cutting up the sausage and having it plain, we can have it in ravioli. And I think it's a great idea. I mean, of course, yes, it's a little bit over the top. So basically what I have is some mild Italian sausage, because the wings are going to be spicy. This is actually some chopped up amaranth, which is basically the same as callaloo, is what is used to make Jamaican callaloo. It grows like mad in my backyard, so I'm using this. I have a few collard greens in here with it too, and then some. This is just a blend of cheeses like Parmesan, mozzarella, because normally we would have, with our wings, we would have either tater tots, depending on what kind of wings I'm making. We would have tater tots or pizza. And I thought, since we're doing kind of an Italian thing, let's make this kind of like how you would make a pizza, with the cheeses and like a supreme pizza. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm just super duper excited about this little machine here. And I did want to share that with you guys. I don't know if you're as excited as I am. Maybe not, because you're not getting to eat any of this stuff. But super duper exciting. And it made making this ravioli so much easier than it was the last time I made it. Like, literally, this time I made the ravioli in like 15 minutes. So there you go. There you have it. I just made 3. I mean, this is just 3, but I have a whole bunch of them over here I'm going to make. I just did these to show you guys how quick and easy it is.